Okay, this is how to do it here. You want to post expenses. First of all, you need to go to account. You click chart of account. You scroll down to expenses. These are expenses. Now you will begin to modify all these expenses based on their title of their expenses. Do you understand? You begin to modify this expenses title. You can use the ones that are here, but you can modify them in capital letter. Like me, what I do is that I modify in capital letters. I can say here, you modify this, you call it the title of their expenses. Let's say that electricity bill, you type electricity bill in capital letter here. Then you pick up this one, you modify it again in capital letters. You type another name. You can use the electricity bill, you can use the utility bill to join all of them. Then you can now use the local transportation for another one. All the title of the expenses they use in their places. Then you use all those titles here to create all the title of expenses, the heading of all the expenses they use. MD expenses, or you understand all those type of expenses, just like the way we have them here. You can use all of them. So by the time you are done with all those expenses, you are done. Then that's all. To post the expenses, you come here. First of all, before you start posting the expenses, you have to come during the time you are creating here. You go here, go to payment. Here you can create different type of names of all the method of payment you accept. You can put all the type of payment you accept. Like here we have cash payment, and the cash payment is always cash drawer, cash drawer. Then I begin to create the names of bank, all these bank, and they'll use all of them this. But you can link them to the account you want. You can link them to the account you want to link them up. So if I have the names of all the bank inside the system, I can begin to link them to all of them. But I don't have them. So here I don't have all those bank accounts. I didn't have any of them. If I want to add all the bank accounts, this is the only one we see us that we are linking it to. If I want to link all these other bank accounts, I can begin to click them. This is 1001. You can have 100, this 1003. Then I can put another one, GT Bank. Okay, 1004 GT Bank. Then an anchor here says GT Bank as the name. It should be current asset. You select current asset, the first one, current asset. Then you can come here is posting account. Then I have created this one, current asset. But if you are adding expenses, I prefer modifying the one that are in expenses because there are too many. Modify and save, not to add new. So if I want to link this account to GT Bank here, this is what I do. Remember in the payment, I have a GT Pay, for example. I can now take it here. Now GT that I just created. GT I just created now, so it's now this one is connected to GT, meaning anytime you are making payment on sales, is going to GT Bank. Anytime you are making payment on purchase, this one will be minusing money from GT Bank. But whenever you are making payment on sales, it is paying money into GT Bank. Whenever you are making payment on purchase, it's removing money from GT Bank. That is what is here now. So all this account should be done. Now, to make post expenses, after you have set up all the account, then you can now come here, account. You go to expense posting, enter. Now here you are going to pay to bank. Okay, I can say pay to Emeka is my name. Then you can mention for what it is, TP for transportation. Pay by, the money was removed from cash. The cash is what the money came out from cash. How much? I can say 100. Then if there is any documentation, the number of that documentation. If there's any documentation, this is the number of database. If there's any documentation that have number, you can come here. Then I can now choose the expense account. Now those expense account, all those account that you modify. So if I know any of them, I can just type the initial name, like accounting fee is the first one now. I can select accounting fee. This is the all those accounts you are going to create down. Then you save this. When you save this, what is going to happen is that this money is coming out physically from the cash drawer, from the sales made for that day, and this money is going into the accounting fee. You understand? So if I now say that this money was paid for me for accounting fee, I can now say accounting. You can now say, you understand? That is the purpose of this expense. But this is the name of the person that the money was given, and this is the reason of giving the money for accounting purpose. And that means you come under here, select the account, all those headings account you are going to create. That is it. You are done. You save this one, you can do another one, and that's how you post all your expenses on here. Thank you.